I'm speaking to Mr. Basil Ayas, who is the marketing director for Dell Middle East. I know he's a person with wealth of knowledge about this market. Now I need to understand how this market is growing and how Dell is growing within this market.
All right, thank you so much, Sanjay. It's a pleasure being on Enterprise Channel MEA. Congratulations on 1 year anniversary. Very recently we celebrated together, and we're very happy to be supporting and for your support with Enterprise and the success that you've seen in the UAE and in the Middle East. The market, just like you saw success, we're seeing a lot of growth. So Michael Dell, the founder and owner of Dell, he was here in the region a couple of weeks ago. He came to Doha, Qatar. He visited Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, and then he came to the UAE, where we held customer and partner meetings. Our founder, from the top all the way down, we understand the importance of the Middle East. The Middle East is growing. It's part of an emerging market. We're seeing double-digit growth across our enterprise portfolio end-to-end. So whether it's desktops, data centers, or cloud services, we're seeing growth, very healthy growth across all lines of business in the Middle East. This is where the economy is growing. This is where Dell is investing. This is where our focus is fully on this region.
There is a little bit of chaos in this market, related to the news of your competition. Is it a good time that when the water is trouble, you can take advantage of that?
Yeah, you call it chaos, I call it opportunity. With change, there's opportunity. Some customers, some countries are going through political instability, whereas other companies and our competitors are going through mergers and acquisitions and splits of their company into different parts. Dell is steadfast in our strategy. We are not moving away from the focus. We are here to offer our customers end-to-end solutions, to simplify their lives and give them the power to do more. And that hasn't changed in the last 4 years, and I don't think it's going to change in the next 5 or 4 years. So we see opportunity as things are juggled and changed around. The situation changes, our competitors change, our customers undergo change. That's all opportunity for us to help them overcome the change, overcome the challenges that arise, and find better solutions.
One of your competitions, I'm not taking the name, they are trying to again recapture the market with their own proprietary platform with open software. Do you feel that's again a kind of threat to your?
Yeah, it's our competitors try different strategies. Dell, from the beginning, from day one, has been about open, capable, and affordable solutions. So we don't believe in proprietary. All the hardware that we sell, all the software that we work is always multi-vendor, open standards. It works on our competitors' products. It helps, for example, SonicWall Firewall from a security perspective, it's fully vendor agnostic. It works on any server, storage, or networking. Our software from Quest, our SecureWorks security services, our case monitoring and management solution, vendor agnostic. We believe in open technology. If a customer wants to use Dell for all his IT needs, we're more than happy to have him. But if a customer wants a best-of-breed approach and he wants to work with Dell on a very specific solution and wants that solution to be compatible with what he has installed, trained, invested in, even from our competitor products, we're happy to do that as well. So we offer him choice. We don't force any of our customers in a certain stack. We don't force them to adopt any proprietary technologies. We don't believe in lock-in. Lock-in has been successful for a few vendors over a short period of time, but over time, in the long run, it always fails. Think about Betamax and VHS. VHS prevailed. Think about Super DVD and Blu-ray. Blu-ray prevailed. Think about iOS and Android. Android has prevailed. And with Dell, we believe with open solutions, open standards, we will prevail over the competition.
For a long time, I'll say a couple of years, you have been giving lots of dollars to the market, and you are also receiving dollars from the market. So how has been the success ratio, and going forward, what will be your strategy? You understand what I mean?
Yeah. So we always look for return on investment when we're doing investments, right? So at Dell, our investments in the Middle East, we've expanded our offices. We've built a solution center earlier this year. We launched that in Dubai. From a marketing perspective, we participate in GITEX. It's the third year we're participating in GITEX. It's a bigger stand. It's much more interactive, newer stock technologies on display. We're launching Compellent SC4020, 13G servers, the interactive projector, the Wise Cloud Client Connect, integrated solutions from Oracle and SAP. We're using GITEX as a launch pad. So our investments in the region always come with an expectation of return. Last year alone, during GITEX, we saw a really great pipeline generated, lots of leads. We had over 1,000 visitors to the stand over 5 days, and we track very carefully the pipeline and the revenue generated from that investment. Our investments in acquisitions have also yielded a lot of results. So now we have an end-to-end software portfolio, and we're tracking the return there. We're seeing very fast growth in our software portfolio in the Middle East as we continue to invest in that, hire new people, and focus on software to take Dell to the new era of IT, the software-defined data center.
So far, I could see that you have done lots of corrective measures to assimilate all these names that you had acquired,
Yes,
giving
yes.
a single identity.
Absolutely
now,
right,
Now going forward, maybe post GITEX, which is a new year for most of us in this region. Is there any new plan that you want to put in place?
All right, so I'll give you an example, a really great story. 3 years ago, Dell had 4 stands at GITEX. We had the Dell stand, we had the Quest stand, we had the Wise stand, and we had the SonicWall stand. Last year we had 2, Dell and SonicWall. Today we have 1 Dell, 1 stand. So we are consolidating. From a branding perspective, we used to refer to our firewalls as SonicWall, our networking as Forstand. Today we have removed that, and it's all under the Dell software banner. So all that software product is under the Dell software vendor portfolio. And it's working because customers understand that Dell is now offering an end-to-end solution. So that's really how we are consolidating and helping. What our plans for the future are, very recently we announced that our software arm, we have really actually spun it off. So we have a new office in Dubai. It's the Dell software office, different than the Dell office, still an internet city, but the employees, we've gathered all the SonicWall, all the Case, and all the Quest employees, moved them to a new office, Dell software, and they will have, they're hiring a marketing arm, they're hiring a finance arm, they're investing, so they can grow at a much faster trajectory than the traditional Dell. Dell is growing, it's double digits, it's very healthy, but at the end of the day, there's a market dynamic. With PCs and servers and storage being such a mature offering, you can't really grow them 100%, 200%. That's why we moved Dell software, invested in them, spun them off to a different office so they can grow even faster. And that's gonna be our focus for the next year, making sure that Dell software is an extremely successful company and enterprise.
To make your case a little bit stronger, can you let us know any customer that you have owned which is earlier competition customer?
All right, so to make my case stronger about acquisition accounts, right? So we work with a lot of accounts from around the region. Actually, Shams was on here earlier. He's in charge of a win of the week program. Every single week, Dell publishes internally a success story on the accounts that we are acquiring from competition, on brand new accounts, and on accounts that are doing something special like cloud, like security services, like an end-to-end solution. So we have many examples. Unfortunately, most of them don't like to go public with the press. But one that has been public is Sharjah Police. Sharjah Police, just a couple of weeks ago, we did a press interview with them, a press conference, and Sharjah Police last year and before did not use Dell, is now moving to a Dell end-to-end solution in their data center and in their Safe City initiative with the cameras. Another example that went public is Dubai Culture. Dubai Culture used to deal with 3 different vendors without naming them. One vendor for networking, one vendor for storage, and a third vendor for servers. And over the past few months, we've acquired them, we've transformed their data center, and now they're using Dell for their servers, their storage, their networking, and their security. So now they're using Dell end-to-end in their data center. It's simplified the procurement, and it has simplified the after-sales support.
Thank you very much. As always, you thrill everybody.
Thank you very much, Sanjay. Have a good day.
Nice.